Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can create an account for Omegle. Now if you are confused, then you don't have to create an account to use Omegle. You can use it without an account because that's how actually Omegle works. And if you're confused, then keep on watching this video until the end and you will eventually understand what I'm talking about. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you just want to search for Omegle, alright? Once you search for Omegle, the first option, omegle.onl, click on it. Once you do that, it'll bring you over here. Once you're over here, scroll a bit down, click on visit omegle.com and it'll take you to the official website. Now once you're over here, you don't have to create an account. Why I said that is because if you want to start using it, scroll a bit down and then choose if you want to text somebody or you want to have a video chat with somebody. Let's say I want to text somebody, I can click on text and it'll find me a random person. I can talk with him. If I want to chat with video, I can click on video, it'll find a random person on video and we can chat using video. And if you want to search people with certain interests, you can choose where it says add your interest and write FOOTBALL. Let's say I want to search somebody with a football interest, I can write football and click enter. Once I do that, football will be highlighted like this, which means the interest is added. And if I click on any one of this, people who have written this on their interest will only be linked, alright? People without this will not be linked. So it'll find anybody who has the same interest like me and it'll link us up and we can talk with it. And you don't have to create an account. I can reload it and then it's going to show me the same thing. I can go and text video, interest and do the same thing. So that's how we guys can use Omegle without an account because you don't have to create an account. So hope you understand. If you guys did, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step and bye bye.